ever since I found you like 8 years ago. And I really feel like it was resonating with me. And I was like, this is speaking to my soul. So if it's speaking to your soul and it's really something that's nudging you and it feels uncomfortable, you have to jump in. That's where growth comes from. You can't just stay in your stagnant area and just think that something else will improve because it's like insanity. It's going to keep like going until you learn it. Just know that if you work on yourself, you can impact a lot more people than you think you can. You're not alone. You never are. We will welcome you with warm and welcoming arms.
Oh my gosh, we absolutely will. Hugs and kisses all around. This has been such a beautiful conversation with you, Julia, to get to reflect back on an 8-year journey. That's what's like so dope about this program is that it's not just like I made it up yesterday and hope that it works. We've had thousands of women go through this program over almost a decade, and you're just a beautiful, shining example of what it looks like to turn self-doubt into absolute confidence and to be creative and go out and impact so many people. When you can get out of your own way, I think that's what it truly means to shine from the inside.